Alright guys, it's been a while since I've been back on this project, and this is my air compressor to 4-stroke engine conversion. I've been really busy doing other things, so what we're going to do here today, we need to blank off this hole here, and the reason I need to blank it off is because if we look at the cylinder head, at the clearance volume of the cylinder head, it actually encroaches halfway or a quarter of the way over that hole, and what's going to happen there, I won't have any compression because it's going to blow it straight on into the sump. So I need to block that off in order to get the head bolted on. Now once I do that, I can put the head on, or the head here, torque it down, and then I can concentrate on the front of the engine where I need to adapt the pulley. Okay, so I've made up this pin. Now, it's slightly undersized on one side and a little bit fatter on the other side, and hopefully that will wedge in there and I won't crack the casting when I bash it in. So I'll put a little bit of red Loctite instead. And hopefully this will go in not too bad. And there we have it, beautiful. Just a little bit flush. I've gone a little bit under the top, but I can just feel that. So I'm happy with that. I'm going to leave well enough alone. On the barrel. Alright. And I'll put the caps on that and come back to you. I'm going to have a lubrication problem here because we're not getting any splash feeding from the oil chain, from the cam chain, so that'll be something I need to work out also. So what I've done here, I've marked the top of the rocket cover roughly with 3 points, and with a bit of luck down the track when I run the engines, periodically, I can just drop some oil down in there. So I'll drill these oil holes. Now the first one will be for the camshaft, and I've just eyeballed these. So there's 3 holes there, one for the camshaft and one each for the inlet and exhaust valve, or the rocker arms on the exhaust and inlet. Clean the old gasket off the top of this here now, and you can see I've already dropped some oil down there. And this is what I'm talking about here. So I need to keep the rocker arm, this one here, lubricated, this rocker arm lubricated, and just on the camshaft as well. Alright, now as luck would have it, the oil will run down out of here as the motor runs. Right, I can't help that. So what I'll do now, the arrow goes towards the exhaust port. I'm going to pop this on. I've got my nuts here. I'm not sure, I can't remember if they're supposed to have a washer on them or not. They usually should. I'm just going to proceed without. And what I'll do now, I'll just gently nip those up. I'm not going to torque the bejesus out of them. Might grab a ratchet for that. A bit quicker. I'll just check that head gasket down below, and I can see that silicone oozing out from the side, so time will tell if that works. Alright, I'm happy with that.